Welcome to News from the Sound, a weekly cooperative effort between BCTV and the Sound newspaper. I'm Nicole Ball, and here are your highlights from the Sound's August 26th issue. Despite inclement weather, people still came out in support of the Books, Barbecue, and Blues event at the Blackstone Memorial Library. There was singing, dancing, delicious roasted meats, beer, and of course plenty of support for the children's programs at the library. To see more photos from the event, head over to zippo6.com/Branford. And if you snapped your own pictures, be sure to share them on the website. This Friday, public input, especially from seniors, is encouraged at a special meeting regarding the new senior center. The center, tentatively proposed at 175 North Main Street, involves some property swapping between the town and Keach Development Corporation. To find out more about the upcoming meeting, to read the backstory about the center's plans, and to stay tuned to what will happen next, make the Sound and Zippo6.com your information destination. Hamlet Hernandez is headed back to school this fall, but he won't be attending classes in the traditional way. Instead, Hernandez will be observing classes as part of his first initiative as Branford Public Schools' new superintendent. On August 20th, Hernandez gave the Sound and other media members a behind-the-scenes glimpse at what he plans to do this school year. Find out more about the new super's plans this week in the Sound. Kurt Deegan, a 23-year-old man of Clark Avenue, was charged with breach of peace and sale or delivery of a hallucinogenic drug. Around 5 p.m. in the evening last week, a 17-year-old began jumping on the hoods of passing vehicles on Leeds Island Road nearby Thimble Island Road. The police determined that the teen was using acid and was able to transport him to the hospital. The man, allegedly responsible for giving or selling the teen acid, was present during the incident. Branford police stress that parents and young adults need to be aware of the dangers of all drugs, specifically hallucinogens. In sports, check out the season review of Branford's Junior Legion squad, which won the Zone 2 title for the second year in a row this week in the Sound, and online at Zippo6.com. Before summer completely slips away, check out a great feature about local sailing schools and clubs this week in the Sound and online at Zippo6.com. Find out if this sport might be right for you and learn about some upcoming sailing events along the shoreline. The Sound Sports Person of the Week, Pat Simone, just completed his first season with the Branford Senior American Legion Post 83 baseball team and helped bring them to their recent American Legion World Series in Spokane, Washington. Find out how Simone, a pitcher who performs under pressure, arrived at his current place on the Legion squad, and what his future plans are, both on and off the field, thanks to Legion coach Rich Balzano. In living, as summer winds down, the fall fair circuit heats up. Check out this week's issue of The Sound for all your local festival needs and information. First on the list of upcoming events is Taste the Shoreline on September 4th. You can also like The Sound on Facebook, and we'll remind you of events as they occur. This week in columns, Lee White's Bounty of Corn becomes maize risotto and a la carte, and Parents' Eye View columnist Amy J. Berry thinks about nutrition as the kids head back to school. Don't worry, she shares a great recipe for chewy fruit and oatmeal bars in addition to outlining the importance of eating right. You can also find columns that didn't fit in the print edition of The Sound this week online at Zippo6.com. The movie review looks at the ever-young Julia Roberts in Eat, Pray, Love, and Ask the Renovator tackles an economical kitchen makeover. And this week on the web, see the final results of makeover winner Maura Page, a Branford resident. She's reached the end of her makeover journey, and you can watch a video of her process and see several photo galleries. Head over to Zippo6.com and select the makeover button. Last week, Branford police were able to determine the cause of a motor vehicle accident at the intersection of West Main Street and the I-95 exit 53 off-ramp using a traffic video camera. See the accident online now by heading over to Zippo6.com/Branford. You can find breaking news on the website as it happens, or like The Sound on Facebook for news sent right to you. School news is just a click away. Check Zippo6.com for all your back-to-school needs. You can also like The Sound on Facebook to have important school information sent right to you. Calendar reminders, emergency school closings, and education system are some of the updates we'll make sure that you're aware of. And finally, the Dan Cosgrove Animal Shelter Pet of the Week is a 4 to 5-year-old black lab, Sadie. Get to know her by heading over to the local scoop box on the website and see if this family-friendly dog would make a good addition to your home. And that's it for News from the Sound this week. We'll see you next week.